Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by dialing in what the game needs to move smoothly. High, stable FPS matters. First, unlock a 120+ frame target and pick Performance mode, because smooth input follows stable frames. Next, set mouse DPI to the 400-800 sweet spot or reduce controller stick sensitivity for cleaner micro adjustments. Once done, turn off motion blur and lower resolution scale to prioritize frame rate. This reduces visual stutter and makes your inputs feel immediate. You now layer technique on top of settings so movement becomes deliberate. Start with clean strafing and practice timing so your keystrokes are consistent. This reduces micro stutters and keeps momentum. Then add jump to crouch sequences and slide cancel or animation cancel tricks to bypass slow frames in character animations, because you want movement that feels responsive, not locked. Make sure your build inputs are pre-queued. Turbo build and quick edits let you move while constructing, so transitions stay fluid. You finish by training deliberately and verifying stability. Build short, repeatable drills, 60-second strafes, edit courses, and movement challenges, so you focus on consistency. Once done, record or review short clips to spot frame drops or input lag. Diagnosing where it breaks helps you tune sensitivity or graphics. If issues continue, make sure background apps are closed, update GPU drivers, try capping FPS for steadiness, or lower a few graphics settings. This single troubleshooting step often fixes most residual stutter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.